Welcome back to this video. In this video, I'll show you how to link your Facebook with your WeChat account. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your WeChat app. Click on me. Click on setting. Click on general. Click on tools. Then click on Facebook tool. Then go ahead and click on enable right here. So once you click on enable, you'll be asked to sign in with your Facebook account. After a successful sign-in, your Facebook name is going to be found right here and it's going to give you linked account. It's that simple. With that, you have increased the level of your WeChat account security, and each time you are having issue with your WeChat account, your Facebook can be your backup account recovery. It's that simple. And this is one of the great security you can give to your WeChat account. For more tutorial like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.